Hey guys. Hey guys. Olivia's in the bathroom, so we're just vlogging for today. How's your day going? Yeah, we're in cooking. There's a sub, and we did finish our worksheet in like 5 minutes. So now we're vlogging.
Hey.
But yeah. Excuse yourself. Yesterday we made crepes and they tasted like ass.
I didn't think they were that bad.
They
if you
were
put a lot
really
of chocolate
bad. They were
in
like
it.
rubber. Yeah.
If you chocolate
like
and a lot
actual
of
condom.
I kind of love that you're not pointing the camera to me.
So we were just spilling the tea. Yeah. I love your hair at the moment. I half of it is. I like it.
No, but November, literally people started shopping for them.
Not missing anything, sweetie.
Oh, she's coming, she's coming, she's coming.
Wait, I want her to see. What were you doing?
Vlogging.
Oh, great. Hey guys.
I love the angles right here.
Hey guys, welcome to back to the kitchen.
Oh, you're starting. I didn't know you were started yet. Hey.
So we're not supposed to have our phones, but we're rebel freaking. So we're probably gonna get yelled at in about a minute, but.
So we're gonna make some food today. What are we making?
I don't know.
Not crepes, thank God.
That sucks.
Again. I have to go pee so bad. Again. I pee like every single period.
I love that you're recording this.
Oh, she's coming. This is our class.
Wow, I love that panorama.
Wait, why are you actually Olivia now?
I started ASMR.
So this is what we're doing. Quick French bread pizza. Olivia went to go pee herself, and that's the end of the story.
And I figured out you don't like this. Oh, get another one. This is so scary. Hey, I'm excited. I want pizza. What I think I look like versus what I actually look like, you know.
And he doesn't even know.
I want to let you guys know.
Honestly, I was like, are you like Jenna? And he's like, no, I'm not.
I want you guys to know.
Compliment her hair.
My hair is so good.
He likes your hair.
Alright, I'm wanting to just let them know that the camera is literally rolling, so this whole conversation is being recorded.
You might want to edit this out after. I know.
Nope, didn't edit it out.
Can I break it?
Oh, shit. Can you guys all not judge me? Like, please. Oh, no. I like garlic bread. It smells weird. Can I cut this thing or whatever you sure?
You realize I can't see your face. I love it.
Cooking with the red kitchen.
Jake, you wanted
We can't use this one. Okay, we have to wait for her to get.
It's not working. Use the big knife. Okay, that's good. Whatever. Woo! What if I sent all these to Will? Oh my god. You'd love me forever.
Guys, so much taking the pizza out.
So,
Out of the corner of my eye, all I see is you looking like you are just drenched. Why are we so like What, those
Jenna washing the dishes.
Okay, can I just please?
Well,
Wait. What the heck?
ew, it's so gross up there. Tell them what happened. Excuse you. I still have my mitt. Wait, guys. I'm confused. So story time called Best Buddies brought in cupcakes. And I took a picture of one. I can insert it here. So Shelby and I were talking, and her twin linked arms. They were like, don't you wish you had a twin? And I shoved the cupcake in her face. It was really funny. And then, by accident, I'm washing my hands, and I get water all over my sweatshirt sleeve. Then I tried to do to Isaiah.
Oh,
but
hey,
he noticed.
Isaiah. What? We're talking to each other right now.
Isaiah, enter the chat.
Come here.
So this is Isaiah.
Addie's vlogging.
No, it's actually. So
You had to be like that.
Isaiah's being real annoying today.
Isaiah's always annoying though.
Now we'll vlog Olivia.
Here's yours.
Oh, thank you. Hey, Addie.
I'm gonna put them all.
Oh yeah, okay. Sleep time. You're not even doing anything.
Okay. Time to swipe it off.
Olivia, you're just controlling your job. Shelby, Olivia? I mean, Jenna?
Shelby, Olivia? I mean, Jenna? Half the video is gonna be like all black.
Wait, get Jenna in. Like, push it back.
It's fine. It's Jenna's birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday, Jenna.
No, just can you please get my voice? That'd be so funny if they just hide my identity.
Okay. You don't wanna. Oh wait.
Wait, why is this sauce bun?
Why does it taste salt?
Okay, the garlic was the best decision I've ever made. Like if there wasn't garlic on this, Shark Tank, I'd be out.
Oh my God, big dog.
Sorry about it.
Addie, I thought I was gonna pass out from laughing. That was the
I'm funny. What can I say?
The worst thing is we were vlogging and we didn't even record it.
I know, that would have been so funny.
That would have been so
Uh-oh.
No.
And the best thing would have been
Well, they just saw me devour that. The camera just saw me devour that. On to round two.
well, like I'm already full.
Mukbang. Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
You guys were doing a mukbang.
This is the only time the camera was powdered, didn't take my
Really?
face. I literally.
No, but that's a good thing that you don't look like you're wearing any. Last day being 14. 14 is such a stupid age. Honestly, nothing happens.
Listen to
I
that.
mean,
Like,
for Shelby.
No, if you no, but if you think about it, like 13.
Well, my friend and I just went to Disneyland.
Is our
But I
kitchen
haven't
clean?
decided what friend to bring.
Joe's asking for help with it.
I think this is better.
Nah. Ooh, that was me.
I like that more.
Oh yeah.
Stand there.
I like
Our pan is way too warm.
I'll split it off.
Can I try yours, Jenna?
Please.
Oh my god, we're
God,
going
that
home.
tastes good.
Are you eating that?
Nope.
I just took it off for you. Oh my god, wait, we have to go.
That would be true.
Yo, where are you getting all these?
Bye vlog. Oh my god.